Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today we are going to be replacing the wheel hubs on this 2015 Ram 1500. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to jack it up and get the tire off. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta get this bracket off for the brake caliper. It's just two 21mm bolts, one on top, one on bottom. The next thing I did when I was down there was disconnect the ABS brake, the ABS brakes sensor, got that off. I'm gonna take this 34 or 36, not sure. Let me get the nut off the end of the axle there. So let me do that. Next, I'm gonna put the nut back on loosely. Tap this. Next, you're going to want to take the nut off the upper control arm right here. Okay, after that nut is off, you're going to want to smack right here with a hammer to loosen this up. Took a little persuasion here, but this did pop off. You just got to tap it. Keep tapping and it'll pop apart. Next, you're gonna grab this whole thing, pull it down, and pull this out. At least get it out of the way enough because you got to get to the bolts in the back. Next, you're gonna take an 18mm socket with a long extension. Get the 3 bolts holding the assembly on. After all 3 of the bolts are out, you're going to push this back up. I need to get a better angle for y'all. You're going to push this up and then put the nut back on just to hold it up there. This part is the hardest part. You got to get that hub assembly out. So it's usually packed in there super tight. You just gotta either beat it with a hammer or you could use an air hammer. So let's try to get it out. Now that that's out, I just compared the old part with the new part. They look exactly the same. The plug end on this is the same as well. So now you're just gonna put it in. Now that it's in, you're going to take this bolt off and pull that back down so you can push the axle out and get access to the 3 bolts. So let me do that. Okay, I had to backtrack a little bit. I have to take this tire rod off because I got to get that out, the shaft. So I loosen the nut, pull this out, and you swing that up out of the way. Then you can pull this down and get access to get this out. Okay, in that video all I did was just put the tie wrap back on, tighten all those bolts up, and then we're gonna put this upper control arm bolt back in. So let me do that. And then the next thing to do is put the brake caliper back on, and you're pretty much good to go. Next, we're going to put the caliper bracket and the 2 bolts back in. Next, we're going to put the axle nut on, torque it down. I gave it about 10 ooga doogas. You should really torque that, but I don't have a torque wrench that I can find right now, so that's why I'm not torquing anything. Otherwise, torque everything down. All right, everybody, so I got it all finished up. Super easy process for the most part. The hardest part about this job is beating off that wheel hub. Usually, sorry, I got sweat in my eyes. Usually is what's happening is rusted in. I forgot I live in Georgia now. There's not so much rust. And when I replaced it, it was right before I moved down here. So a couple years ago. So the good thing is there wasn't a lot of rust, and I only had to beat it a little bit to get it off, but super easy job from start to finish, including recording, which was getting up and down, checking everything, grabbing the tools. 1 hour. It's not very hard if you got the right tools. Tools you'll need is 18 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 22 millimeter. I think that's about it. And then, yeah, having power tools helps a lot, but you could do it all by hand. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Also, I know I didn't torque everything down on there. I used the German spec, which is good and tight. Get it? Good and tight. So that's the spec that I used. I know I should have just got my torque wrench and did it, but I didn't. I did torque the lug nuts, but everything else, I'm not worried about it. I've done this tons of times on several vehicles. Just get it tight. But professionally, you want to torque it down. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.